Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you some awesome free tools you can use instead of Canva for business graphics. First, click Create, then select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels for this demonstration. This sets your canvas dimensions accurately. Go to Templates and type Business Graphics. Select the category to view all available business graphic templates for your project. Choose one to start editing. This icon means an Education Canva Plan account is required. Below, you will find various design templates available for use. This feature is available without a premium subscription, allowing you to use it freely along with many other useful tools included in the basic option. Identify these accounts by the premium stamps or watermark stamps displayed on their profiles. These visual markers clearly distinguish premium accounts from standard ones for easy recognition and verification. You can change any element by clicking on it. Additionally, explore the many available templates to customize your project quickly and efficiently. Select the one that fits your needs and start editing to achieve the desired result. The service is completely free with no payment required. After completing your work, click Share, then choose Download to save your file directly to your device. Increase the image size to improve quality, but avoid enlarging beyond the original resolution limit. With a Canva Pro or Premium account, you can access this feature. Once your design is complete, click the download button to save your project in your preferred format quickly and easily. Now you know top free Canva alternatives for business graphics. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.